think you should be.
What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Ontology. So shout out to Map to Success. If you guys would like to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications, as well as leave a comment telling me what your top altcoin is. Otherwise, let's jump right into the episode. I'm just going to refresh the cryptocurrency market cap right here, and I want you guys to take a look at what exactly is happening right now, because we do have a lot to talk about. Right now, the market cap is $363 billion, so we've had over $100 billion enter the cryptocurrency market space in around a week and a half. Bitcoin dominance extremely, extremely low, 38.9%, very, very low. A lot of volume, though, being moved in and out of crypto. Over $20 billion has been moved in the past one day or 24 hours. When I scroll down right now, you'll notice Bitcoin is at 8,325, up 2%. Litecoin is up 5.9, Ripple up 13, Ethereum up 9. So we're having a beautiful day all across the board. Literally a beautiful day. Check this out, guys. Some coins are up over 30%. Perfect day for the market. Everything's going up. Is it the end of the bear market? It's possible. We're going to find out. We're going to keep hodling, you know. Litecoin almost at $150, guys. This is good. I just want to go right into Litecoin and show you guys what exactly is happening. So check this out. So as you can see, we do have these two channels. This one channel that has been drawn. We did break the 140 line of resistance, as we made a video yesterday talking about it. And we're now currently shooting up. You know, we are oversold on the, overbought on the RSI, so we do need to pull back ever so slightly. But you'll notice we are having some resistance from this top line here. But, you know, that's okay. This is still a solid channel moving up. Is this the end? I don't know, but I'm just going to zoom out now on the daily and show you guys what exactly is happening. And I want to show you that we did break up. We are breaking up. And I want to show you where our next point is. So right now you'll see, hold on, that wasn't supposed to happen. Right now you'll see this is what the pennant flag looked like. We completed the Elliott wave triangle, completing E, and we broke out of E, which is what we wanted to see. And what we're looking to hit next is this high-low middle moving average, right around this. So as you'll notice, though, the high-low middle moving average is slowly coming back down to reach us. It's kind of in between this channel right here, and that's where I think we're going to face a lot of resistance. I do think we're going to break this quite easily, but chill in this line right here. Maybe following this line of support all the way up, we'll find out. But I do think we're going to be hitting this area, so expect to see the Litecoin at around $165 before we see some resistance. We can bounce off of this this high-low middle moving average, though. We aren't oversold or overbought on the RSI, on the daily, which is very nice to see, so there's plenty of potential to move higher. But we are looking to hit around 165. That's where I'm aiming for, and I expect Litecoin to go right now. I'm going to zoom back into the 4-hour and show you guys what exactly is happening. So we are moving up, and we're looking to hit this channel right here. We did break the blue band. The green band has crossed over the red band, so that is an indicator that we are moving higher. We are looking to go into this region, so this is the region we plan on going to. It may take a couple days, but we could honestly just consolidate like this, face resistance here, and pop up, go higher. That's what I'm anticipating to happen. I think we're going to continue following this line of support right here. Is it accurate? Yeah, that should be okay. Just going to fix that ever so slightly. So more or less something like this is where I can see Litecoin following. We are a little high right now, and I do think we need to consolidate. So maybe the next few hours, this candle closes in like 3.5 hours. Probably some sideways consolidation as we face resistance at the top. Some sideways consolidation using this as support, and then pushing us higher up into the 165, and we'll go from there. But honestly, great news from Litecoin, $148.34. You know, we're moving up, guys. We are moving up. We did have a low of, let's see. Our low in Litecoin was all the way, I think, $97, and we're now $150. So that's pretty awesome if you ask me. That's some beautiful uptrend. Nearly doubled already. It went up 50%, and obviously we're looking to see some higher highs. Is the bear market over? We will find out. But this is nice to see that we finally broke out of the downtrend. We finally broke the downtrend. That is very, 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 very good news. I want to thank some of the subscribers who commented. He passed on this note to check out Litecoin Whale Watcher, and basically to show you guys what exactly is happening right now for Litecoin. So you'll notice in the past few hours, all of this. Basically, it's saying in the past 15 minutes, the top 50 Litecoin wallets have received 693,446 more Litecoin than they have sent. That's a lot. So something is happening. A lot of these wallets, the first largest wallet has just received 2,884 coins. A lot of these wallets are receiving an extreme amount of cryptocurrency. So is this a good sign? We'll find out. Here you go again. In the past 15 minutes, the top 50 wallets have received 693,462 more Litecoin than they have sent. So is this a good news? Possible. Is this insider trading? I do not know. But this is, I think, good news to see that a lot more action is happening within cryptocurrency and within Litecoin. To see this market cap finally moving up. You know, we're now at 360 billion. Honestly, the fact that we broke 300, we're going to be at 400 billion very, very, very soon. I really do think so. Money is moving back into crypto. I think the downtrend, the bear wave is over, and I think we are finally moving up. I think I can verify that with the other cryptocurrencies we're going to look at. Moving on to Bitcoin, you notice we did break this wave. Clearly, we are hitting some resistance right now. You can see this right here, this reversal right here. So we are looking to break the 8,350 region. You can see how we have hit this numerous times in this area. So I do think we will break above here, and this is where we're going to be, you know, chilling at. Basically, we need to get up to this high-low middle moving average at around $9,300. That's kind of where I see us going. Probably by the time we get there, we're going to be, I want to say, hitting this $9,000 line of resistance. I do think we're going to break that, though. I do think Litecoin is due to move very high over the summer, and as April ends and May continues, I do think we're going to see some higher highs, and I think the bear market is over, verified by the way these breakouts are happening. You can see we did have some sideways consolidation, but we did break above this downtrend, which is a good indication. Litecoin did break up, Bitcoin trading sideways, but I do think it's going to break out of this channel shortly and try and go back to this $9,300 area. If we look at the 4-hour, you'll notice that the green band has crossed over the red, and it is now moving up, and that is a very, very, very good sign. What that is going to help us do is continue to break these small areas of resistance, small lines of resistance. You can see where we double topped before, and we're now trying to channel that again. We do have this slight uptrend, though, so we'll see. I can draw that in if it helps. You can see how we have this nice uptrend. Whether or not we're going to break that, we'll find out. We're nearing overbought on the RSI, so we could pull back ever so slightly, but I do think we're going to break above this line of resistance right here and start trading above that. And then probably some sideways consolidation for a little bit until the middle moving average catches up, as well as this line of support as well. So those are two things to look for. I think Bitcoin and Litecoin are both doing very, very well right now. If we check Aetherium, I believe it's doing the same thing. But like I said in previous week's videos, Aetherium is trying to catch up to its high-low middle moving average, and that's exactly what it's doing. The coin is now $580, and it is headed for the $650, $660 mark, and we're going to go there. You know, all these blue chip stocks are looking to go back to the middle. They're going to go back and find its homeostasis, find its I want to say like equal ground, it's level ground, and that's where it has to go back to. I do think we're going to face some resistance here, but this uptrend is going to help us break above, and then, you know, we're going to keep going up. I really do think so. So stay tuned, keep following that. I'm going to go to the 4-hour so you can check out what exactly is happening. Alrighty. So we are going up, guys. That is a beautiful uptrend we're seeing right now. Basically what's happening is this high-low middle moving average. Like I said in the other ones, the green band has crossed over the red band, and it is slowly catching up to the price, and that is forcing the price to go higher. I'm going to have to draw in some new lines of resistance because we are just moving, guys. So let's just zoom out and see if we can spot any resistance levels. Clearly this is what we needed to break, and we did extraordinarily. But honestly, you can see right here, there's really no resistance. We didn't build any resistance or support levels, so it should be very, very, and fairly easy for Ethereum to catch up to the $660 mark. I think very, very, very easily. It'll be nice to start using the high-low middle moving average as a support level on the daily chart. I think that's going to be very crucial and vital to Ethereum's ability to grow. So definitely pay attention to that, though. But otherwise, the market's looking great. We did break that resistance, and we are heading up, guys. So be prepared. Moving on to Ontology. So I do think this is a newer ICO that has just released. Clearly, we can see this line of support drawn ever so clearly, just like that. I'm going to just zoom in to the 4-hour chart so we can get a better look-see at what exactly is happening. Interesting, guys. This is very interesting. So, let's just close that so we can get a better look. Basically, there are lines of support that need to be drawn. We have one right here. We have another right there. Honestly, these tops can also be lines, yeah, for sure, lines of support as well, or lines of resistance. Move this up a little higher, right around that area. So honestly, this looks very, very nice for Ontology, guys. So if you wanted to invest in this, I do think it's a smart move right now. You can obviously see this huge white line that is acting as support for Ontology, and what that's going to do is help move this price up higher. But if you also notice, the RSI is following this currency very, very, very well, and that's also going to help push the price up higher. So this is pretty much the line of resistance that it needs to face in order to break. You can see how we had a top here, and then right here as well, and then you can see the issue we had right there. So this is going to be a crucial step for Ontology to break. And while this new volume is moving into cryptocurrency, it should be able to break this line, especially because this is a huge line of support for Ontology. I do expect it to break above this line fairly easily, and it's going to push us higher, hopefully. But looking at the crypto market, I just want to check out the volumes that we're seeing within the market space right now. So Litecoin is at $416 million, I believe, yes. So that's not as much as we've seen in the past, but it definitely is growing. I believe we were at 3 or if not $200 million in the past, but 416 is an okay area. If we just click on Litecoin and take a look at the volume, we'll get a better look-see and understanding of what we're dealing with, because I've seen Litecoin have at least 1 billion in volume, and it just pushed this currency like crazy, crazy, crazy high. Alright, so this is Litecoin on the market. So I'm just going to zoom into the 1 month so we can get a better look at the volume that's being traded, if it loads. Alright, so this is Litecoin's volume on the 1 month chart, and basically the volume is at the bottom right here, so we can see what exactly is happening with the amount of money moving into crypto. So you can see the 24-hour volume is at 280, went up to 370. At this point, it went all the way to 600,000. But you can see we're on a steady incline right now in the volume. 293. We went all the way up to 526. Came down a little bit, but we're now at over $416 million in volume. So we are slowly moving up. You can see we're slowly about to break it where these tops are at around 550, if not 600 million in volume. So we are looking up, and we are continuing an uptrend right now. So it's very interesting to see whether or not we can get enough volume into crypto, which is the issue and what we need to push us higher. But otherwise, that's going to sum up the video for today, guys. So if you like what you saw, please leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, as well as tell me what your top altcoin is, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.